Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Jahnavi and you are watching Study with Jahnavi channel. In today's session, we are going to talk about 7 tips to improve your general knowledge. So if you are still new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it. So this video, 7 tips to improve your general knowledge, is helpful for the beginners of competitive examinations like SSC, UPSC, MBA, police, railways and other GK competitions. Beginners don't know how to prepare general knowledge for competitive examinations. So here are the best 7 tips to improve your general knowledge. So all of us must have definitely seen our fathers discussing with uncle from our neighbor on some current topic or some current issues. General knowledge definitely forms a part of their chatting, definitely, right? So not only general knowledge is discussed between our elders, but everyone experiences this topic in one or another chat. General knowledge is not an issue specific or age specific. It's an integral part of our daily lives. Talks on general knowledge need not be found in any specific occasion. Chats on these issues can begin anytime and anywhere. Not only do our chats include general knowledge, but it forms an essential part of entrance exams and interviews for admission to schools, colleges, and jobs. Most of the entrance exams in India dedicate a separate section for GK in their exam pattern. General knowledge is not a cup of tea that everyone can taste. It is not easy to stay up to date with what is happening around or remember major events that have taken place in history. One has to make efforts to increase his or her general knowledge or stay updated with events taking place around. Just following news that is one medium may not prove you helpful. Extra efforts have to be made to crack GK section in various entrance examinations taking place now and then. So here are 7 tips to improve your general knowledge that might help you during preparation. First one, read newspapers. Reading newspapers every morning is the most effective way of knowing what is happening around the world. Although it's an old medium of learning, but it is one of the most efficient way. You must make a habit of reading newspapers daily. Try to read more than one newspaper. Read one newspaper in your mother tongue and other in English. Go for national dailies which stand amongst the top newspapers. Reading newspapers only on the exam day or the few days before it will not help you. You have to start reading it at least 6 months before your exam. Read the newspapers attentively to improve your general knowledge. Second one, magazines can do a miracle. This is another medium to improve your general knowledge. Through magazines also one can learn the current affairs. There are various magazines designed to help people increase their general knowledge. Subject-specific magazines can be found in the market. Magazines for sports, business, entertainment, generic magazines, etc. can be grabbed from the local Nook seller or can be purchased online. Third one, utilize internet in a better way. Do not log into internet just for fun or downloading movies and songs. You can utilize internet to improve your general knowledge. Google News is the most obedient medium of updating people of happenings of every minute. Various newspapers have gone online. Along with their paper versions, they are publishing their news online available for everyone for free. Not only e-newspapers are available online, various portals have been formed which publish breaking news in form of articles and images. Information can be grabbed from YouTube and Wikipedia as well. Fourth one, socialize with general knowledge. Social websites are no more a platform just for socializing with friends and acquaintances. They not only update you about people in your friends list, but they have become a source of information about the world. News websites have become active on social websites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+, etc. Every breaking news is being shared heavily on these platforms by the news agencies and their users. By staying active on these websites, one can learn about the major events taking place around. Also, various pages and accounts have been formed for the process of sharing news and current affairs. Join these accounts or follow them to stay updated with the latest news. Fifth one, watch television not for entertainment but for knowledge. Watching news can also serve the purpose. People who can retain information with the help of pictures can switch to this medium of information. Various news channels in numerous languages are available on television sets. The time spent in watching television can be diverted to a better cause. Not just entertainment, but TV sets also help you increase your score in entrance examinations. TV channels like NDTV, ABP News, Z News, Times Now, etc. are at your service for 24/7. Sixth one, become smart with smartphones. Phones are no more a medium for just connecting to people and communicating with them. Now phones have become smarter by catering us with all features that a computer used to provide. Switching to a smartphone can help you in staying up to date with the happenings of around the world. Various apps have been designed with the purpose of serving people with breaking news on their phones. Whenever breaking news occurs, a notification is shown on your phone screen. Not only this, you can read the whole story by just clicking the notification. The app is designed in such a way that news from all categories is at display. With even low internet connectivity, one can easily read news pieces anytime, anywhere with the apps available at Play Store. Seventh one, make notes. Just reading the newspaper will not help you. You have to retain the information that you read in the newspapers. Therefore, not just reading it attentively but also make notes. Maintain a diary of important things that you feel can form part of the entrance exams. Information like names of famous personalities and their profiles, books and authors, major events and their dates, etc. should be noted on regular basis in your diary. By just following these 7 tips, one can improve his or her general knowledge and can score well in this section of the entrance examinations. And today's notification shootout goes out to Bhavya Reddy and Interesting Facts in Telugu. Thanks for commenting. If you guys want this type of shootout in the next videos, so don't forget to comment me below, and so I will shoot out your notification in the next videos. And yeah, that's it for this session. Thanks for watching. If you are still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon next to it, and so you will get my post videos notifications.